أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الذين قالوا لإخوانهم وقعدوا لو أطاعونا ما قتلوا قل فادرءوا عن أنفسكم الموت إن كنتم صادقين. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah al-Imran, ayat number 168. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the behavior of hypocrites during the Battle of Uhud. Many people living in Medina, and mostly some people who were relative of the people of Iman, they were hypocrites. And they tried their best to say their relatives, don't go to the battlefield, otherwise you will be killed. Stay here in your houses. Your house and homes are the best place of protection for you. Don't go to the battlefield, because battlefield is the place of death and you will be killed there. So they invited them to stay in their homes so that they should not be killed. And Allah said to them that death is a fixed. Death is not coming in the battlefield, but it is possible also in the homes also. If you are sitting in your home, you think you will never die, then you have to remove the death from you if you are a true person. So this way message here, we read this ayat, we will understand more better. So Allah said, Allazina, these are the people, qalu, they say, li-ikhwanihim, about their brothers, waqa'adu, and sitting in whom, law ata'una ma qutilu. Law ata'una, if they were to obey us, they were to follow us, then they were not to be killed. Kul, say to them, fadra'u, remove an anfusikumul mauta, remove from yourself death. If in kuntum sadiqin, if you are truthful. So in this ayat, Allah tells us that those people who were hypocrite, they said to their brothers, not to go to the battlefield, you will be die. You have to stay in your home like we are sitting in our home, like we are protected, you will be protected. So this way they said, waqa'adu, they were sitting in their homes, law ata'una ma qutilu. If they were just to follow us, they were to obey us, like sitting in home, ma qutilu, they were not to be killed. But they were saying they have gone to the battlefield, therefore they were killed because death was there. But Allah is telling them that Kul fadra'u an anfusikumul mauta. If you are sitting in your houses, you have to remove the death from yourself. In kuntum sadiqin, if you are true person. In one revelation it came that when this ayat came sent down, that time about 70 people who were sitting in home from hypocrites, they died. So actually death is possible anytime. Anytime mean the fixed time. Death is written with fixed time, fixed place and fixed condition of the person. So the situation or condition is also fixed. This person will die with illness. This person will die with accident. This person will die with fighting in the battlefield. So different type of situation and condition of the death for every person is fixed. Same like that, the place of the person is fixed where the person will die. One day, one person who was sitting in the company of Sulaiman alayhi salam, angel of death came to see that person carefully. And he was thinking, this person, his death is possible and time is now short. And death of this person is for a long time from here. How this person will go and reach there at the destination, and I will have to take the soul of that person there. So that time, that person requested Sulaiman alayhi salam, please you order the wind, it should leave me at that place. So Sulaiman alayhi salam then ordered the wind, so that person reached at the destination of death. Angel of death was there, and that person life finished. Soul was taken out from the body. So time and the place of death is fixed, and condition also. Khalid bin Walid radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he fought so many battles, but his death was not written anywhere in any battle. So he was sitting in home, and his death was written on the bed in home. So this way he left this world on the deathbed inside his home. So this way we must understand that time of death is written, and it will come at that time. So this is the belief which makes a person, which makes a Muslim brave, bold, because time of death is fixed. I will never die. Death will come at the time when Allah is fixed. It will not come before, it will not come after. So it will come at the time which is fixed by Allah, and the place and the condition of the death. So Allah has written everything. So this way I am not afraid of death. So I have to do everything according to the ruling of Sharia, according to Quran or Sunnah, so that I have no fear of anyone. So this is the belief of a person. So this belief of death for fixed time makes a Muslim more bold and brave, and to work very, very carefully also, and with boldness and with braveness every time. So this way we Muslim people, alhamdulillah, we are thankful to Allah that Allah gave us this belief, this iman. We are iman bil qadr. This is iman bil qadr, when we have believe in the death. So that a death is fixed, it will come in time which is fixed by Allah. That is iman. But the kuffar mean the munafiqeen. Munafiq is the person who is inside in kufr. This way. So the munafiqeen, they were believing that if the people who go to the battlefield, they will die there, they will be killed there. But that is not true. Allah said, Kul fadra'u an anfusikumul mauta. If you are true person, in kuntum sadiqeen, so then you you try to save yourself from the death. Remove it. When it comes to you, you remove it, repel it. But how is possible? So this way, death is possible at the time which is fixed, it will come after all. So we have to make our belief on the death more strong, and we have to try our best to restore those things which are helpful after death. We got a balanced body. You can see our body is balanced. We have 2 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears. So why we have these things too? Look, your even internal body, you have 2 lungs. You have, look, you can see the body, everything is like 2 where you need the balance, that balance, for the balance it is done. But we ignore it because one thing is this dunya, this world, and other is the world hereafter. We need to have a balance of that. So do something for this world and do something for the world hereafter. So it means that world which is forever we are ignoring now. But we are trying with full effort to make our this world better. So we are not a balanced personality. So for the balanced personality is that one, the person who look after this world and the world hereafter in a balanced way. Because that world is forever. This way we try more for that, because this world is short. Its life is finishing. But the life of that world is forever. So we have to do more work for that world rather than this world. This world is just to give us the things which are only needful. We try to get the things which are just for our necessary needs. Leave the luxuries, leave the comforts, just to come to the basic things and try to make that world more better. That is the thing, but we are ignoring it. This way, after death, so when our other world start, so then we will face the consequences of that one, what we are doing here. This way, ad-dunya mazra'atul akhirah. So whatever you will cultivate in this world, you will reap there. So the main thing is that we have to make a balanced personality, not for ourselves, just train our children, family members, and our community people, so that our this world and the world hereafter should be better. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.